Hi, so I joined this online club because it was time-wise convenient for me, but I have found this great family. I do enjoy coming to the group, not just to give a speech that you will have the opportunity or receive very valuable feedback, but to also share with people. You will see people smiling. It's a very nice, relaxed, friendly environment. So I hope you join us. You come together and start building this club even more. And as I just mentioned, we love to hear from you, and just come and visit as a guest on one of our meetings, and you will see how it feels. So thanks for listening. Have a great day.